On this video, I'll demonstrate how a business submits a claim under the TBESS. It is proposed to extend the scheme to cover claim periods up to the end of May 2023. I will proceed on that basis. To do this, I'll need my pre-claim reference bills covering periods September 2021 to May 2022, along with the bills I'm claiming for since September 2022. In advance of starting the claim process, I have looked at the Understanding Your Bill guide on the TBESS Hub on Revenue's website, which is a sample bill from my energy provider. This guide clearly marks the specific pieces of information I need to input into the raw screens as I proceed. In addition, I will need my banking details to hand. I have already logged into Ross, so let's get started. Here you will see the e-repayment claims heading under other services. I am going to click on this and proceed. I have two options: make a new claim or review a previous submitted claim. I'm going to click make a claim. Here I select TBESS and continue. Again, I select TBESS and I continue. Here is an informational page which clearly sets out what you need to proceed and the 6 steps involved. There is also a quick link here which gives a link to our comprehensive guidelines, which categorize the scheme into user-friendly sections. I'm going to click continue. This stage is the pre-claim details stage. This is where I record the key pieces of information from my registered metered energy accounts that relate to the reference periods from September 2021 up to the end of May 2022. Each bill that covers these periods is needed. You'll note the metered accounts recorded at registration stage are linked here. I'm going to click in at View and Edit. Now I need to take some key information from my bills: the invoice number, the start and end date of those bills as they're represented, the units used, and the cost exclusive of VAT. For each bill I have covering the reference period, I input these separately by clicking Add another invoice for the same account. For the purpose of this video, I have one bill covering the pre-claim reference period. I am putting in my start date as the 1st of August 2021 up to the 31st of May 2022. The units used are 12,000 units and the cost is 36,000 euros exclusive of VAT. I'm going to save the details and you will note my list of accounts has been updated. Here I have a heading complete. It tells me I am complete by saying yes. If you have no here, you will need to require to view and edit and go back and adjust. I'm going to click continue. Here I'm doing a similar exercise, but now I'm focusing on the bills I wish to claim for since September 2022. Again, you will see the account that I have registered. I'm going to click View, Edit. Again, you will see the same fields of information you're required to update. I'm going to start updating now. So my claim bill that I want to claim for is from the 1st of August 2022 to the 31st of December 2022. I have used 12,000 units again. However, this time I have a bill of 55,000 euros exclusive of that. I'm going to click on the show calculation here, which sets out the 4 claim periods that I am now claiming for and the payment that I am due. If I have multiple bills available to claim, I click Add another claim invoice for the same account. I'm going to save the details to proceed. Here you will see a summary in relation to the amount that I am now due under the TBESS. Again, I can view and edit this if I so wish. I am happy to proceed. I'll click continue. Now it's time to input the relevant bank details. This is to ensure you get paid to the correct account. I'm putting my IBAN and BIC in. And I'm going to click continue. Here you are at the summary and declaration page. Again, you will see the 4 claim periods that I am claiming for and the value of the claim and the total amount. Further down, you will see the checkboxes which you're required to tick to ensure that your declaration is submitted to revenue. This is to ensure that you abide by the terms and conditions of the scheme. If for some reason you cannot truthfully check all these boxes, please contact Revenue to discuss your circumstances. Once you are satisfied that you meet those requirements, you click Submit, and your claim will be then proceeded to Sign and Submit page, and Revenue will process the claim.